Hello to all of you who are watching this video. I'm working on 2019 Ford Escape. The reason why this car is on the jack or on these ramps, the code, I scanned the car, the engine light is on, I scanned the car and code is P0141-00. This code is for the downstream oxygen sensor. And I'm gonna show you how to, it's pretty challenging to change the sensor, but I'm gonna show you my way, how I did. So maybe it will be a benefit to you after watching this video. We'll talk first the tool we need. You need a the flathead screwdriver, and you need this kind of small torque, number 10. And you also need a number 8 socket. Let me talk about a little bit this product. I bought this from our local Canadian Tire. Before I was using a WD-40 on this car, but it didn't help. Sensor was not cracking. Then I bought this product. I wait for 3 hours, and after that I went underneath it. Open, boom. Another thing I will recommend about these sockets are not good for this car. Like you see, this opening is too big and it flex, so I don't think so. This is a good socket for this one. Then I bought this socket also from our local store. See, this have a narrow, so that's very good. So I will recommend, this is 7/8, so I will recommend this narrow opening socket. And I'll show you, I recommend this product. So I'm not a sponsor, but I'm just telling you my experience. It said blaster, whatever it's called. So these are the tools you need, and let me show you my way. Okay, so first of all, you need to remove both your wiper blade. I took this already out. I put it on its side. And your next step is you need to remove this plate, and this plate have a 1 bolt right there, number 10 and number 10 here. So same thing on the other side. And after that, you need to remove this these 2 bolts. And I saw in some videos people are removing complete battery, but in my experience, you don't have to remove the complete battery. After removing this, just remove this battery cover. And then other thing is you just remove this box, or if you are not removing this one, I will just recommend remove these ducting. So like there are 1 clump here, 1 clump in the back. Like when you remove this plate, you will access to the bottom screw there. And the connector, like you can see those. There are 1 red and 1 black connector. So the bottom red is for the upstream, and the upper black connector is for the downstream. And there are also a difference in wires. One is white wire for upstream, and there's a black wire for downstream. So like when you remove this ducting easily, you will access to those connectors. And also there are 2 clips where these both wires are attached, so you must remove this pipe and this thing to remove this to access those clips. Yeah, that's from the top, and when I go underneath, I will show you my way what I did. I saw some videos that people are removing the crossbar. One guy removed the complete drive shaft. You don't have to. You will access there, like where I put my hand. I use my hand to go in. Okay, part. This is the part number. You can see original part. I bought this from Rock Auto. I called dealer. I have an account with them. My price was $240 Canadian from the dealer, but Rock Auto sold me for 97 Canadian dollar plus shipping and some few taxes, so it cost me I'm not too sure, but roughly $124 or $21, something like this. 50% saving by buying from Rock Auto. So same part number, same part, this charging 50% up. Okay, that's all for the up, and when I go underneath, I will make an X part, join together, then you can have an idea how to remove this sensor. Okay, I have removed already the plate, and I put this on a side, so there's a fluid inside, so don't play with it, and make sure you will not break that connector. Okay, that's the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver where you need to use. I was thinking maybe it's number 8, but it's not a number 8. That's for, okay, I will lose this. That's clamp for ducting. I will lose that one too. Yeah, and put it aside. Yeah, it's hard when you are working and have a camera with one hand, so. Yeah, I think both are good loose. Okay. And next thing is you need to remove this in case if you are playing. I'll just put on the side. Okay. And you need to remove this. Sorry, my camera just one hand. Okay. Maybe I need to press it a bit. Make sure you will not break this. So I need to put a camera on the side, so I'm trying to remove this tube. So I will put my camera on the side so I will not break. Okay. I use my both hand and I use this tube. So now next step is I need to brake again. I'll pause a little bit because I'm gonna use my both hand and remove this tube. So I'll do the video again. Okay, I have removed this ducting. See, I have now removed this airflow sensor. Just this ducting. Make sure you will remove this tube, like this tube is right here. I'll show you. This tube is right here. You remove this tube, like from here, and then there are 2 screws, clamp screws, one this side, one this side. So lose these and just pull it. Another thing, this is the oxygen sensor connector I was talking about. It was right there. And other thing, there are 2 clips, like you can see there's a clip. You will know when you will open your car. So these clips, you have one here, one right underneath this area. So you need to remove these 2 clips and free this cable. So now what I'm gonna do, I will attach the new sensor on this side, like I will tape it and then pull underneath. Like pull, I will from down, or maybe I will attach underneath and pull from the top. So I will figure it out which way. Well, pretty much you do not need to remove the battery. You do not need to remove the airbox. Just this ducting, like, yeah, this way. Just remove this one and you will access these sensors. Okay, I will do more and then add more. Okay, now I'm underneath of this vehicle, and this is the place. This is axle, and this is the place where you can put your hand, or a socket wrench. Like that's the place where you will put your hand and access to the sensor. Sensor is right around this area, but I will show you from the back, like where you can see and put your socket through this area. You don't have to remove any. Like that's the area of drop shaft, and the sensor is right right up there where my finger shows. So I will slide a little bit to the back, and I will put my camera there. But that's the place where you, like this, you put your hand like this and access to the, yeah, see my hand is touching to the sensor. Maybe I'll put the camera, but yeah, let me slide a little bit. Okay, yeah, there's the sensor. I put my light here, just so you can see it. Hard to focus, but man. Yeah, see the sensor? See my hand there? And that's where the sensor. I just remove this plate. Like there's a, see, I tied my exhaust on one side. I'll show this. I just tied my exhaust on one side. I removed these two number 10 bolt. That's what the number 10 8. I just slide little that side, so like in case if you need to put your hand here just to hold, make a right angle of the socket, like when you are forcing another side. So that's why I make a little bit of room. But if you have a good socket or good ratchet, maybe you don't have to remove this here. But that's good area. Number 10 only, 2 bolts, one this, and just slide your exhaust on one side. But I did not remove the socket. But those are where, yeah, there's the sensor. I will show you my hand. See, and that's like that area. You will go and open it. That's the one. And other thing is when you open it, it's like I already cracked mine through this hole. Like you will see, like before the cross member. See, that's the axle. See, that's the axle. I will just slide my hand here. There you go. I lose already, but yeah. And also there, when you see from the back, there are 2 metal clips. You can easily see, like that's for holding the cable, like these wires. And there's one there, the very top. So what I did, I just slide my other hand. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. I just free the cable from there. Now I will attach some my new one here. I will just tape it, and then I will pull from the top, and then it will go the same place where the old sensor was sitting. Okay, that's all about it. And try your best to do this job by yourself. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready to install a new sensor. You can see the sensor still have, that's the new one, like the protection cap on it. So what I'm gonna do, I will remove the protection cap and tight it there. So let me use my other hand to remove the cap, and I'll continue video. Okay, cap is off, and I'm gonna, okay, yeah, I'm also twisting the cable with it, so cable with it. Yeah, lots of room there, so you can easily. So you make sure the cable is not twisting with it. That's my 2-3 threads. I'm going back, twisting the cable. Okay. Okay, now what I'm gonna do? Where am I? Okay. There we go. You can see it. Lots of room to work like that. Even though my ratchet is not that long enough, but you can put another, I think, 5 to 6 inch longer ratchet on it, like a kind of breaker bar. I think that's it. Good. Okay, now you can see the new one is installed, and now I'm gonna just attach the cable. This is the old sensor hanging right here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach this new connector with it, and then go up and then pull it. That's all about it. Thank you guys.